Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In this today's video, we are going to start with a new accounting software in English, which is called Odoo. Let's go to the browser and we will search here Odoo and just go to this website and simply you will see here on the right corner. I have already logged in here, so I'll go to my database, create database. Here we will start with accounting, then continue. Here you can put your detail, for example whatever is your name. I'll take an example. The name is Clarice. Here you can put your email. Here you will put your company name and it will show you here the domain of this company will be clarice.odoo.com. Here you can put your number and then you will select your country accordingly. So in this video I'm going to take through country which is called Cote d'Ivoire, and we will see all the applicable compliance applicable to Cote d'Ivoire. And here you will select your company size, how many employees do you have in your company. So I'll select just simply here less than 5 employees, and then it will ask you what is your interest to use Odoo accounting software. So first one is use it in my company. If you have your own company and you want to use it for your company, then you will select first one. If you want to offer Odoo service to somebody else or to another company, for example you are in a accounting business where you provide various kind of services, bookkeeping, tax compliance, audit, etc., then you will select offer Odoo service to another companies. Or you are a company where you implement ERPs to different companies. If you are a student, you can learn here. If you are a teacher, you can select accordingly. So I'll select here, I'll use it in my own company, then click on start now. Then you will see welcome to Odoo. So our company is almost created. Wait for a while. So now before we start, you will see here activation email sent. Your database will expire in 3 hours if I don't accept this email. So we will go to our email. You'll see here we have received email from Odoo, and then we'll just simply click on activate, and then it will ask you if you have your team member and you want to invite them to create their users. You can simply just invite from here, but for the moment we are leaving it here, and then we all are done here. So go to your company and then go to your accounting. So now we are on the dashboard of our accounting software, how it looked like. Even when you will open your accounting software, every time it will take you to this dashboard. Now I will take you through the dashboard and the interface, how does it work and what are the menus we need to understand here. So first menu is dashboard. Once you click on this one, it will take you to home page. Next one is customer. In the customer section you can create invoice, you can create credit notes, you can receive your payments, you can follow your payment if it is overdue, your customer list, product list. Similarly is in the vendors, where you can see all your suppliers, bills, purchases, and the payment you have made or you can make from here. And next is accounting, where you can make your journal entries, journal items, and you can manage here a lot of things. We will learn each and every option in the coming videos. Next one is reporting. It's an interesting part of this accounting software. I loved it. First one you will see here balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow, executive summary. Executive summary is a management report which you can customize according to your need. Then there's a tax report, journal ledger, trial balance. So all things are there in one software which every business need. So I think it's a best software to use Next one is configuration. So in this one, the first option is setting. We will come to setting later on. Before that, we will see what are the other options. In the invoicing section, you will see payment term, payment follow-up, Incoterm. Next is bank. You can add your bank. You can create your bank reconciliation module, chart of account, taxes, journals, currencies. Currencies means if you deal in a multi-currency, then we will use this function and we will learn it. How does it work? Physical position, journal, and then payment providers, payment methods. What are the payment methods we can create? We will learn all these things. So for the moment, we will just go to setting and look at what are the settings we can configure. If you will see here, the first one is localization. Localization means the applicable gap of your country, it will select automatically on the basis of your physical localization. So let's go here. So right now we are creating for Cote d'Ivoire. So we will search here for Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah, perfect. Like if you work for USA, then there is a USA gap. If you work for another country, every country has their own gap. So for the Cote d'Ivoire, the country is followed by Cisco ADA gap. So we'll select this one. On the basis of this, your chart of accounts will be automatically generated. Next one is sales tax. For the moment, we will leave it. When we will be learning how to create invoices, that time we will be deciding all this taxation, how does it work in this Odoo software. Next one is tax return periodicity. Here you will select your tax filing frequency, like it can be monthly, quarterly, annually. It depends upon your country, upon your business model, and upon your regime, what you selected, what you have opted for your company while you created your company. Next one, it is showing here physical country. So we will change here, we will select here Cote d'Ivoire. Then on the basis of your physical country and physical localization, it has automatically selected the home currency of your country, which is excellent. Then we will go to next. There are so many options in the settings which we will be learning throughout this course. So stay tuned with us. Then we will come to default accounts. We will leave it for the moment, but for future we will change it when we will be starting our real accounting. Here you have to select your physical period. For example, if I talk about India, it is from 1st April to 31st March of succeeding year. In Cote d'Ivoire, it is from 1st January to 31st December. So it is asking for last day of your fiscal year. So it has automatically opted on the basis of your physical localization. So we have seen how amazing does it work. If you select one thing, based on that, it will select other things as well. So we'll just simply click on save. So our setting has been saved. Then we will go to dashboard. So now we are in the dashboard. So now we will look at chart of accounts, which is called plan comptable. Plan de compte. Plan comptable. So now we are on the dashboard. And now we will look at chart of accounts, which is called in French plan comptable. Now we will go to configure. Then we will go to chart of account. And for just an example, I would like to know if all accounts are correct and according to OHADA gap. Yeah. So let's verify one. As I remember, one account 6057. So let's see. Okay, perfect. It's super. So the name is in English, but it is the same account and same description which is in French comptable. Yeah. So we saw how excellent does it work and how easy it make our life. So we have nothing to do with this plan comptable at this moment. And if you want to change anything in this chart of accounts which has already created by Odoo on the basis of your physical localization, if I want to change the name of this account, so if, for example, if I want to add here AX, So I can add it here, and even I can change the number as well if I want to change the number according to my applicability. But we are not changing here anything, so we'll go back. Thank you for watching this video.